been a little while since I made a video. Just been busy with work and life and all the stuff that goes along with it. Had a little vacation, went and saw Cleetus and Cars and the Freedom 500. Great time. I would do that any day of the week before I do another NASCAR race. Hands down the most fun the family and I have been able to have in a long time, especially for the money. So I wanted to make a video just to cover something that I ran into that I kind of knew about, but it's been so many years since I messed with electrical stuff that I didn't really think about it. And honestly, when I ordered it, I didn't realize, and that is cable. So with the Mustang, I'm relocating the battery to the trunk. And in doing so, of course, you need cable. Well, I ordered this cable off of Amazon, 25 feet of 1/0 gauge. And it was a good deal. It was like 30 bucks. Got it. It's nice and flexible. A lot lighter than I thought it would be, but I was like, okay, whatever. Well, I got to looking at my Amazon account and look at where I ordered it, and I noticed that it is CCA wire and not copper. So for those of you not familiar, CCA is copper clad aluminum. Aluminum, while it does conduct electricity, it does not do it nearly as well as copper. So copper clad aluminum only conducts about 60% of what copper wire does. So 1/0 gauge copper wire probably would only be 400 amps, 300 amps, something like that. Anyway, so this wire is only going to hold safely at 25 feet long. It's only going to hold safely maybe 150, 175 amps, and that's for a very short time. Now, a starter should only draw about 150, 160 amps. But do you really want a chance at that much? Do you really want that thin of a margin? And my answer to that is no. So I had this all installed when I read the description and realized what I had bought. And so I had to uninstall it. Had it all ran nicely tucked under from the trunk up into the engine bay where it's going to mount to the starter, and then relay over to the fuse box. And I had to undo all of it. So be careful when you order cable. Make sure you pay attention. So there's a better shot of the cable. Here's a better shot of this cable. See if I can get this thing to focus. Focus. Won't really focus good, but you can see that the outer layers are copper and the inner layers are aluminum. And this, of course, is used for welding cable, and it's going to do great.
Security. Make some noise for Cleetus and Cars!